awesome code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about Python ChainMap. If we have number of dictionary and we want to wrap them into one unit, Python has a class for that, and it is ChainMap that wraps different dictionaries into a single unit. It groups multiple dictionaries together to create one unit. ChainMap is from the collections module. So let's see a simple example. We are going to import from collections, import chain map, and we have these two dictionaries, and this is the key and its value, and the key and its value. So we're just gonna create another one. It's a B and its name is here Robert, and age 70. And now we are going to use the chain map, and we are going to create our new dictionary, and this we are going to call chain map. So this will be chain map, and we're just gonna pause in our both dictionaries A and B, and then we are going to print the new dictionary. So that will be print, and we're gonna run the code. So now we have unit of both of those dictionaries in our chain map. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.